Hello, greetings and salutations from the Italian guy. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare the keto eggnog, a delicious, friendly eggnog that we can taste maybe in the morning at breakfast, so that we'll be feeling strong the whole day. I just remember you to subscribe to my channel. I really would appreciate your help to make me grow. Like the video if you like it and share it with your friends. But now let's see how to prepare the keto friendly eggnog. Stay tuned.
So, what do we need to make our keto friendly eggnog? 2 cups of double cream, 1 cup of coconut milk, 3 tablespoons of stevia, 4 eggs, and a sprinkle of cinnamon. So let's put everything in a bowl and let's start mixing. The fun begins.
Okay, I already put the 4 eggs in the bowl. Now I will add the stevia, the 3 tablespoons of stevia, then the 1 cup of coconut milk. Here it is. The 1 cup of double cream, the first cup of double cream, because we use 2. Okay, the second cup of double cream is about to come. Here it is, double cream. Now I will add just a little bit of a sprinkle, let's say a sprinkle of cinnamon to make to give a taste of more sweetness to the whole eggnog. Cinnamon is coming. Oops, let's abandon. Okay, now we'll go with the blender, the hand blender, the hand mixer, and we will do the job. I will speed up the video.
So, gents and ladies, here it is. Delicious keto eggnog with no alcohol, because this is keto friendly, with just a sprinkle of cinnamon, is ready to be tasted.
So here we are. Now we will taste this delicious keto friendly eggnog. It's delicious, guy. Really delicious. Double cream mixed with the coconut milk, the eggs. Delicious, delicious indeed. Okay, let me stop with it. Let me put it apart. So if you like the video, help me to grow, subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. I would really appreciate it. And also I'm thinking to run a Patreon campaign, so to collect all the donations every month and buy the item that is most requested, you guys would like me to review. Let me know in the comment below. So thanks again for watching my video and a very nice day to everybody. See you guys. Bye. Bye bye.